Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Las Vegas, just slightly off the Las Vegas Strip. You know, if you ask me, what are my favorite places to just chill out when I'm on the Las Vegas Strip, just to get away from the crowds for a few moments, two places come to mind. First is the Park Vegas, or as many people call it, the Park MGM, or the MGM Park, right in between New York, and Park MGM. You know, the park that heads towards T-Mobile Arena. Lots of sculptures, water features, lots of trees with shade, lush desert landscaping. It's a great place to chill out. If you're hungry, you can grab a little nosh there. There's a couple restaurants to choose from, or have a cocktail in the shade. The other place, of course, would be the Flamingo Wildlife Habitat. Both of these places are, of course, free to check out, and again, both of them offer a great escape just for a few moments from the craziness and hustle and bustle of the Las Vegas Strip. Well, today, we're going to check out the Flamingo Wildlife Habitat. It's right behind the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. The Flamingo Wildlife Habitat is an idyllic escape from the buzz of Las Vegas. You can roam the peaceful and relaxing 4-acre gardens complete with meandering streams, waterfalls, exotic birds, turtles, and fish. With no cost to enter, the habitat is a fun experience for the entire family. So come walk with me. Let's take a couple of deep breaths and relax and walk through this beautiful oasis just feet from the Las Vegas Strip. The variety of wildlife that guests can experience here is wonderful. The habitat is home to a flock of Chilean flamingos, multiple species of exotic waterfowl, and brown pelicans. You'll also find impressive sturgeon koi, albino catfish, turtles, as well as some of the local songbirds they have here in Las Vegas. And native hummingbirds dazzle the guests with up-close encounters at the feeders here, as they're year-round residents of the Southwest. And speaking of waterfowl, this is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And once again, a shout out to the Camacho couple. Deborah Camacho found Clarice, the Miss America crown, in my latest Atlantic City video, a Zen Bang Noodle and Sushi Bar at the Ocean Resort in Atlantic City. And Robert Camacho found Cabby in my latest New York City Vault video, Washington Square Park. Once again, congratulations, guys. By the way, the Flamingo Habitat is open both day and night. I don't know about the wee hours of the morning, but you know, pretty much all day and most of the evening. And if you are here in the evening, the lighting is dramatic. It really lights up this tropical landscape really nicely. You can't see as many animals as during the daytime, so they both have their advantages, but both equally as beautiful. And if you get a chance, visit daytime and nighttime. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And don't forget to check out the New York Community Room for latest news on Las Vegas, Atlantic City, Orlando, New York City, personal stuff, and the next Live from New York show. Just click on that New York Community tab and you'll be updated on everything here on the New York channel. Typically what I'll do is if I'm staying anywhere close to the Flamingo as far as a hotel on the Las Vegas Strip, I come here first thing in the morning. I'll come very early. I'll grab a cup of coffee at a cafe right outside the doors here at the Flamingo. And I'll either sit down and just chill out for half an hour and enjoy my coffee, or perhaps walk the grounds around here just to get the day started. And then conversely, if I've had an exciting day on the Strip, I'll come here with a cocktail. I'll grab a cocktail at either in the casino or at one of the lounges, and come out here and just slowly sip my cocktail and wind down for the day. And by the way, you can grab a cocktail at Carlos and Charlie's. It's a Mexican restaurant right here at the Flamingo, right here in the Habitat, actually. There's a video for Carlos and Charlie's here on the New York channel if you want to check it out. Connected to the Flamingo Habitat through a series of winding paths is one of the Flamingo Pools, actually both of them, there's two of them here. It's a really beautiful pool, especially considering the Flamingo's a value hotel, considered a value hotel here on the Las Vegas Strip. It's a very nice pool. I stayed here once for I guess about a week. This was about a year and a half ago, and I really had a good time, and the pool is fantastic. So what'd you think of the Flamingo Habitat? Pretty nice and relaxing, right? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.